Hey everyone, hope you're okay. Today we're going to do a really good song, one of my favourites. It's Heroes by David Bowie. He's a great artist, quite punky, so his songs can be quite choppy when you're playing them. So great feel, a great fun song to play along to. The chords that we're going to be using are still A and D. The only difference is we've got a G today, so you can either use that cheat G that I showed you in the previous videos, or you can actually put the shape in of a G if you want to try that. So I've actually got a capo here, it's on the 5th fret, so the shape that you want is on the, let me look, 5, 6, on the 8th fret. You want to put your little finger on the string furthest away from you, and then you want to put this finger here on the string nearest to you, and then on the 7th fret you want to put it on the A string, which is the 2nd string away from you, so that's your G. There we go. Or you can just play these 3 strings here. So that's the A, D and the G. If you play those, that's exactly the same as a G. So G with the fingers on, or G without the fingers. It starts off with the shape of an A. So you need to put your fingers on the 7th fret, D, G and B. There we go. Or what you can do is put your finger flat down if that's easier for you. But make sure you don't play the string furthest away from you because it will sound a bit off. You need to just play those strings in the middle. There we go, so that's the A. We need the D. Okay, so you need your fingers on the 7th fret again. So that's the E and the G. And then the B needs to be on the 8th fret. So it's a bit of a weird shape, like a triangle really. Don't play the string nearest you there. There we go. That's your D. That's an A, D, and then a G. D and A. So just to show you the chords in the order that you need to play them in. It's A. To the A, and then a D, and then G, and then you need to go back to the A, and then on the last 2 lines of the verse it's G, D and A, and hold it there just for a little bit, and G and D and A, and then it goes back to the a little fill in the middle, so it's just A. starts on the A again as it goes back into the second verse and repeats round again. So that's pretty straightforward. So just follow me. I'm going to put the track on and we're going to play along to it. Okay, here we go. A, D, A, D, So just to sum up, play along to that track, have fun with it, and I'll get another song out to you with those chords in it, and hope you've enjoyed Heroes by David Bowie.